To set up the tube-resistant bands, place the closed end of the loop over the top of the door or through the hinged side of the door and close the door tightly. Pull on the exposed loop to ensure it is secure before attaching desired resistance bands. Door attachment can be used at 3 points of the door frame for various exercises. The tube-resistant bands exercises either require the foam padded handle or the ankle strap. Follow each exercise's directions to know which one to use. Bicep curl. To start, using the foam handles, stand on the resistance band with feet shoulder width apart and hands hanging down at your sides. With palms facing forward, slowly curl hands toward each other, keeping elbows tucked into the sides. Release arms back to the starting position. Chest press. Attach resistance bands with the foam handles to the door anchor at the mid position. With your back to the door, stand with feet hip width apart and bring your hands just below shoulder height with palms facing down, shoulders bent. Push forward, straightening elbows while maintaining shoulder height. Slowly return to the starting position. Shoulder press. With the resistance bands under 1 foot, hold foam handles at shoulder height, elbows out, palms forward with the band behind the body. Slowly push hands up, straightening the elbows. Slowly return to the starting position. This exercise can also be done with the resistance bands attached to the door anchor at the low position. Elbow kick back. Using an ankle strap and foam handle, secure the resistance band on one leg. Slightly bending, support the upper body by placing your free hand just above the knee, allowing the opposite hand to fall straight down. Grasping the foam handle with your palm facing inward. Pull up, raising elbow to shoulder height. Then extend the elbow backward, straightening the arm. Hip extension. Using the ankle straps, attach resistance bands to the door anchor in the low position. Face the door with your hands hanging at your sides. Extend one leg backward, keeping knees straight. Return to the starting position and repeat using the opposite leg. Knee flexion. With resistance band attached to the door anchor in the low position, use the ankle straps to secure the band to each leg. Lay face down, extending legs close to the door. Alternately raise and lower each leg, bending at the knee. Leg extension. With foam handles attached, loop resistance band around 1 foot. Position your body on all fours, hands directly below the shoulders, knees below the hips. Slowly push foot backward, raising the leg parallel to the floor while straightening the knee. Return to the starting position. Repeat movement with the opposite leg. Squat. To start, with foam handles attached, stand on the resistance band with feet shoulder width apart. Raise hands to shoulder height, elbows close to your sides, palms facing forward. Bending forward slightly, lower your body by bending the knees, pushing them toward the toes. Slowly return to the starting position.